Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here.
Can say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
So this is exactly what happens if I turn on my MacBook. As you can see, it doesn't work at all. It just shows off this like greenish kind of logo, and you have all the stripes on the screen. So there is nothing else I can do. So of course I went to the Apple store, and a very friendly guy told me that there is nothing I can do with this Apple MacBook Pro end of 2011 because the graphic board is broken and they don't produce it anymore. So the only thing I can do is, that is what the guy said to me, is to sell it on eBay. But thanks to this fabulous internet, I'm now here in my kitchen. I discovered an amazing tutorial how to repair your MacBook. And it's quite simple. In a nutshell, put your MacBook into the oven, 200 degrees, 10 minutes, and it's all new. And this is exactly what I'm going to do now. I will bake my MacBook. The very first step, open the top case. Woo! Remove the board. This is finally the removed board. Next step is clean and repair. The board is now more or less prepared. I removed all the old dirt. So next we have to build a little stand for it. Oh, Jesus. Out of this aluminium foil. That's what I do next. I've constructed 4 of these legs. Beautiful, aren't they? Preparation is done. The next step, finally bake it. We have to wait till the oven has reached its temperature. Probably takes 5 minutes. And before I am going to reassemble all the parts, it's very important to apply some thermal paste on the graphic chip. That was not easy at all, especially the last 30-40 minutes. It was, but I think I hope at the very end it was worth the time and the effort. They say that it takes like 3-4 hours to do the whole to go through the whole process. I don't think so, that it works in like 3 or 4 hours. Maybe for like a professional Apple technician, but not for me. Does it pay off or it doesn't work? What do you think? This is quite frustrating. All of a sudden,
a little 8-bit machine that refuses to die.
So in the very end it has worked out. I mean, really. Hope that was like a funny creative trip in the kitchen. Hope you liked it. So please like the video, share it, and it really means the world to me if you would subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. See you at the next episode. Have a nice evening. Bye bye. I'm out.